Hello everyone out there, coming from BMW of Corpus Christi yet again. Going to show you the ride height adjustment feature on the BMW X7. On the interior view, we will also have the exterior view coming shortly thereafter. We have Mr. Chris Conley here with me to demonstrate. Go ahead, Chris.
All right, guys, we are on a mid-level setting here. I'm gonna go ahead and click it twice. It's gonna take us down to the, it's gonna lower us down all the way, and you get a nice display here, and as you are coming down, you can actually feel the car coming down, and it's showing you there as well. We are almost there. We are there. And should we come back up?
Yeah, let's go ahead and go back up.
3 and 4.
All the way to the top.
We're coming back up. And it's gradual, but I feel it moving right now. Oh boy, here we go.
Definitely feel it. Front, back, front, back.
Oh yeah, we're way up there now. Wonderful.
And ride height is adjusted all the way to the top setting on the BMW X7.